Shalom, this is Ayelet. I was born and raised in Israel and Hebrew is my native language. In this video, I will teach you how to say a traditional Jewish prayer called the Modeh Ani. According to Rabbinical Judaism, every morning God renews each person as a new creation, which is why the Modeh Ani prayer is traditionally recited every morning, even before getting out of bed. This is a prayer of gratitude, thanking God for the life He's given us every day. Hebrew is read from right to left, and as you can see, each word is transliterated so you can learn how to say it, and translated so you can understand what it means within the context. I will go over each word very slowly, pronouncing each syllable. Then I will repeat the complete word. My cursor will follow the Hebrew letters, but I recommend that as we read, pay attention to the transliteration and translation below each word so it will all make sense to you. For more details on my transliteration method and to learn to read and pronounce any pointed Hebrew text, watch the video on my Hebrew pronunciation chart. The chart and all my posters are also available for purchase on my website, thewordinhebrew.com, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, so let's begin. When saying this prayer, men will start with the word modeh and women with the word modah. The rest is the same for both. The Modeh Ani Prayer in Fluent Hebrew. Men would say, Modeh Ani lefanecha, melech chai vekayam, שהחזרת בי נשמתי בחמלה, רבה אמונתך. Women will say, מודה אני לפניך, מלך חי וקיים, שהחזרת בי נשמתי בחמלה, רבה אמונתך. And now for the syllable-by-syllable teaching. Men would say, modeh, modeh. Women would say, modah, modah. Ani, ani. Lefanecha, lefanecha. Melech, melech. Chai, chai. Vekayam, vekayam. שהחזרת, שהחזרת. בי, בי. נשמתי, נשמתי. בחמלה, בחמלה. רבה, רבה. אמונתך, אמונתך. If you would like to leave a comment, I would love to hear from you, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to visit my website, thewordinhebrew.com, where you can purchase my products, learn more Hebrew, and spread the word. I hope this has blessed you, and as we say in Hebrew, toda rabba, which means thank you very much. Shalom and God bless.